We've all been there. You have a productive conversation with a client, hammering out important next steps. But a few days later, when it comes to following up, some key points are fuzzy. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a recording of that call to jog your memory? This is where call recording can be a game changer, especially for businesses that rely heavily on phone communication. It allows you to capture agreements, take notes for later reference, and even use recordings for training purposes. But what if you use a virtual phone system like Grasshopper? Does Grasshopper itself offer built-in call recording? Let's dive deep and find out. Understanding Grasshopper, a streamlined phone system. For those unfamiliar, Grasshopper is a popular VoIP voice over Internet Protocol service. Essentially, it transforms your regular phone number into a virtual one, allowing you to receive and make calls through your smartphone, computer, or any internet-connected device. Grasshopper is a favorite amongst entrepreneurs and small businesses due to its user-friendly interface, affordable pricing plans, and suite of features designed to streamline communication. It offers functionalities like voicemail greetings, call forwarding, and professional extensions, all aimed at making your business phone system more efficient. Call recording with Grasshopper. A straight answer. Now, back to the burning question. Can Grasshopper record your calls? The answer, unfortunately, is no. As of today, Grasshopper doesn't have a built-in call recording feature. This might come as a surprise, especially considering the value call recording offers. But there's a reason behind this. Grasshopper prioritizes simplicity and ease of use. Adding a recording function could potentially complicate the user experience and introduce legal considerations depending on your location. Exploring third-party call recording solutions. So, if Grasshopper doesn't record calls, does that mean you're out of luck? Not necessarily. The good news is there are several third-party call recording solutions that integrate seamlessly with Grasshopper. Here are a few options to consider. Cloud-based recording services. These services operate entirely online and connect with your Grasshopper account. They offer features like automatic call recording, secure storage of recordings, and easy playback options. Popular choices include our EV.com call recorder and Just Call. Mobile apps. There are mobile apps specifically designed for call recording. These apps typically work by placing you in a three-way conference call with the recording service. While convenient, be sure to check compatibility with your phone and Grasshopper plan. Hardware recorders. If you prefer a physical solution, standalone call recording devices are available. These connect directly to your phone line and record calls onto a memory card or internal storage. This option might be ideal for businesses with stricter data security needs. Choosing the right call recording solution. When selecting a third-party call recording solution, keep these factors in mind. Cost. Pricing models vary, with some offering subscription plans and others charging per minute recorded. Choose a solution that fits your budget. Ease of use. Look for a service that integrates easily with Grasshopper and offers a user-friendly interface for managing recordings. Features. Consider what features are important to you. Do you need automatic recording, transcription services, or cloud storage? Compliance. In some regions, recording phone calls requires consent from all parties involved. Ensure the solution you choose offers functionalities to comply with local regulations. Beyond recording, alternative solutions for capturing call details. While call recording offers a comprehensive way to capture conversations, there are alternative methods to ensure you don't miss crucial details. Detailed notes. After each important call, take detailed notes summarizing key points, agreements, and action items. This reinforces what was discussed and creates a reference point for later. Call summaries. Train your team to send concise call summaries via email after each client interaction. This keeps everyone informed and creates a written record of the conversation. CRM integration. Integrate your Grasshopper account with a customer relationship management (CRM) system. This allows you to log call details, notes, and recordings, if using a third-party service, within a central platform for easy access. While Grasshopper itself doesn't record calls, several third-party solutions integrate seamlessly with the platform. The best solution for you depends on your specific needs, budget, and legal considerations. Remember, capturing call details can be crucial for business success. Whether through recording or alternative methods, ensure you have a system in place to remember those important phone conversations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,